I received this rechargeable travel mirror with light as a gift, and it's quickly become one of my favorite travel essentials. The mirror is lightweight and portable, which makes it perfect for travel, but it's also great to keep on a vanity or desk at home. It folds easily and doesn't take up much space in a bag. It has built-in LED lighting with 3 color modes, so you can switch between different lighting depending on what you're doing. The touch controls make it easy to change brightness and lighting with just one tap, and the light is dimmable, so you can adjust to what feels comfortable. I really like how bright and even the lighting is. It helps you see clearly without harsh shadows, which is great for makeup, skincare, or just getting ready. Since it's rechargeable, you don't have to worry about replacing batteries. It charges easily and holds a good charge, which makes it really convenient for travel or everyday use. The beige color is simple and neutral, and the mirror itself feels sturdy and well made. Overall, this is a really practical and well-designed mirror. It's easy to use, easy to take with you, and makes a great gift for anyone who wants good lighting on the go.